Hi everybody, this is Kathy from katzelcreate and welcome back. So sorry, my voice is low. Everybody at home is asleep and I kind of sound a little loud here. So I do apologize if I'm whispering. Anyways, so I finally get to see my first entry from my, oh my gosh, my giveaway that I had back in April for my 2-year, oh my goodness, what did I name it? 2-year birth anniversary. There you go. Oh my goodness. So as you guys see, it is posted 3/12/2020. She this was from Liv from, oh my goodness, was Liv, oh my goodness, Liv, I'm so sorry, Olivia, and it's Liv from, oh my goodness, I'll link her down on the description below. Maybe she has her name in here. But anyways, she actually won my giveaway and she was my first entry, but she did send it to my mom's address, or yeah, address, and I am barely gonna open it. Well, I actually opened it to see. I partially saw some stuff but didn't see it all. So I know I did see the ATC card, and oh my gosh, isn't it so cute? And I partially saw this too, and oh my goodness, look at you guys, look at the detail. OMG, I do not know if she actually created this or it is a die cut. Isn't that cute? Oh my goodness. So let me see, Liv, oh my gosh, ORM Crafty Designs. Oh my goodness, I cannot believe I forgot that. Isn't this so gorgeous? Look at, she did a border back here. It seems like she used a paper pad and she just, oh my goodness, and she just added this. This is so cute. I did not see her video for the entry, but I wanted to wait to see it, and oh my goodness, so much detail. I don't know if she stamped it. She probably did stamp it and die cutted it, I'm assuming. And OMG, it is beautiful. And this is her ATC, and it is layered after layers after layers, because I was like, huh, do you pull anything out? But no, this is so cute. And then she did a painting on it, and then she did a Winkastella, it seems like, a glossy accent on there. So beautiful. And then she did the star. I don't know if you guys could see the shimmer to it. There's a lot of shimmer to it. It's so beautiful. And then let me see, she sent this right here, and oh, I think there was a star in there. So star must have been up here and I think it fell off. There it is. So that goes right here and it fell off. And then she used the Dollar Tree stickers right here, and she used a scallop sticker or scallop punch, and then a circle punch, and then the Dollar Tree sticker. And then let me see, yeah, ORM Crafty Designs. So she's just saying handmade by Anna Stratus. Oh, this is handmade by Anna Stratus, and so she just went ahead and used it. Awesome. See how, oh my goodness. So anyways, thank you, Liv, and sorry it was this late and showing. It is beautiful. Oh my gosh, I love it. Oh my goodness, I love this. And this looks like it's vellum. I wonder if it's already done. Oh my gosh, I have to go see her video. So beautiful. Might be a vellum, I don't know, might totally be mistaken. Oh my goodness. So anyways, I get home and I received this from Elvia from E CraftyShop. I don't know what she sent me, but look at this cute little butterfly. I love that sticker. And then there's another one back here. So let's see what she sent me, because I do not have an idea what she sent me. If I can open this, I'll open it from the bottom. Send me stamped images. Oh, thank you. Hi Kathy, I know you like gorgeous girls. Here are a few images. Oh my goodness, are these all the gorgeous girls? She has them numbered, and OMG, OMG. OMG, I'm gonna photocopy these, and OMG, these are gorgeous. Look at these. Oh, look at this one. Oh my goodness, thank you. Oh, Elvia, thank you so much. These are so cute. I like this one. OMG. And then she sent me these. Oh, this one's so cute. Look at this one. OMG. Thank you, Elvia. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have so much fun playing with these. Ooh, so excuse my voice, you guys. Like I said, hubby and kids are asleep. Yeah. So I'm taking this opportunity to make these videos, and I'm gonna be making another one. So, sorry. Anyways, thank you everybody for taking the time to watch, and we'll see you guys on our next video. Thank you again, Elvia, and again, Liv, congratulations on your winnings, and thank you, Elvia, thank you so much, and we'll see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.